How to instantly know which USB port is fastest. Today, I'll show you exactly what those tiny colors around your USB ports actually mean. And trust me, you'll never look at your laptop the same way again. Alright, let's decode them, starting from the slowest to the fastest. We will be starting with the white ports. So this belongs to the olden days. These are USB 1.0 or 1.1 speeds, having around 12 megabytes per second. Basically, they are good for connecting keyboards and mouse. So when compiling Unreal projects, you'll be able to notice that the speed is very slow because of the port doesn't support huge data file transfer. So the next one will be diving into another port, which is black ports. So these are USB 2.0, a big jump up to 480 megabytes per second. So these ports are perfect for connecting flash drives. So when you want to transfer anything from your flash drive, this port is ideal for that task. However, they are essential for transferring basic files only due to its limited speed. So the next one will be diving into another port, which is blue ports. So we are now entering into the modern era. These are USB 3.0, having transfer speeds of 5 gigabytes per second. That's roughly 10 times faster than the black ones. So blue color is USB 3.0 for external drive based. The next port we'll be looking at is the tail port. So these are USB 3.1 for pro performance. So when you check keenly, they are Gen 1 or Gen 2, hitting up to 10 gigabytes per second, which are fast enough for external SSDs or 4K video transfers. The next one that we'll be checking out is the red or yellow ports. So these are USB 3.2 or special charging ports. They not only support high data speeds up to either 20 gigabytes per second, but can also deliver power even when your laptop is off. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscription button, like and share our video for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.